Hello friends, welcome in Takshila YouTube channel. Today's my subject is Sanskrit, Standard 10, Chapter number 3, Swastha Vrittam Samacharam. Already friends, in last video, I taught you second chapter, and before that there was a chapter number 1. I told you to learn the shlokas of the first chapter. Okay, third chapter shlokas. Swastha Vrittam Samachara, it has the slokas, but no need to learn these slokas, only it's important for only the translations. So okay, mind well this thing, no need to learn the slokas of this chapter number 3. Okay, let's see first what is the title. Swastha Vrittam Samachara. Swastha, especially in Gujarati also we are using this word. Swastha means the healthy, Vrittam means the behavior, Samachara means behave healthy behavior, healthy in the sense of good behavior. Samachara means behave. Samachara is the root imperative verb here. As you know, I taught you imperative means the आज्ञार्थ. आज्ञार्थ परस्मयी पद, मध्यम पुरुष, एक वचन, नो any suffixes, आणि, आम, he, tam, ta, tu, tam, antu. He means sometimes he and sometimes no any suffix is there. So where there is no any suffixes and last letter of the root verb is full, so it's a आज्ञार्थ, मध्यम पुरुष, एकवचन. So samachara is the आज्ञार्थ, परस्मयी पद, मध्यम पुरुष, ekvachan means the samachara means behave good behavior. Friends, in this chapter all the verbs mostly of the imperative, आज्ञार्थ के verbs हैं mostly. Okay, so mind well this thing. Swastha Vrittam Samachara means behave good behavior. Already in our life, first important thing is our health. So in Kumar Sambhavam, in the fifth part of the Kumar Sambhavam, Kalidas has written these things ki Shariram Adyam Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. Shariram Adyam, already in 8th standard or perhaps 7th standard you have studied this thing. Shariram Adyam Khalu Dharma Sadhanam means body is the first instrument of our life. Means body is well, if we are healthy, so then and then we can do each and everything, otherwise not. So how we stay healthy, it is described in this chapter. So our modern Sanskrit, this Swastha Vrittam Samachara is taken from the modern Sanskrit. It's too much easy language, you understand very well like that. So what is in this chapter? Ki how is our day-to-day life, how is our routine, and depend on it our health is also. Means our health is depend on our day-to-day life. Means what is our schedule, what we are eating, what we are drinking, how much or how less we are sleeping. This all the things is also important for our health. And except this thing also, our behavior, how we talk with other person, how we behave with the elder person, how we behave with our teachers, with our guru, our parents, and how we are seeking the truth, we are speaking truth or not. All these aspects also effect on our body or the health, and it is described in this chapter. So how our day-to-day routine life should be, it is described in this chapter. So not only for the exam point of view, friends, it's useful for being a healthy. And if now you are the student of 10th standard, so if you are healthy, then and then you can study very well. Otherwise, if you yield, so what happen? Your 1 week, 2 weeks will spoil and you will miss that study. Okay, so to be healthy, our day-to-day life should be like this, and it is given in Swastha Vrittam Samachara. Behave good behavior. Let's see in the, by the shlokas. First I want to recite sloka number 1. Bala उत्तिष्ठ शय्यात स्वस्थवृत्तं समाचर स्मर जगद्विधातारं ततः शुद्धं जलं पिब. बाल means the child. Uttishtha means awake or the stand up. Shayyata means from the bed. Get up from the bed. Child get up from the bed means morning time पे हम सुबह से उठते हैं that. And स्वस्थ वृत्तम समाचार, it start from the morning. Okay, बाला means child. उत्तिष्ठ शय्यात get up from the bed. स्वस्थ वृत्तम समाचार, समाचार means behave. स्वस्थ वृत्तम means the good behavior and behave good behavior. सुबह उठने के साथ ही हमारा बिहेवियर अच्छा होना चाहिए. स्मर and second thing what should we do? Smara means remember. Friend, here samachara is also imperative agnyat and smara means remember. No any suffix of the tense, that's why smara is also the imperative. Smara means remember. Jagat vidhataram, jagat means the world and vidhataram means the creator of the world. ये जो पृथ्वी है उसका सर्जन करने वाला है वो उसको याद करो. तो remember the creator of the वर्ल्ड. जैसे ही हम उठते हैं अच्छा बिहेवियर तो करना है. अच्छे बिहेवियर में फर्स्ट व्हाट शुड वी डू? फर्स्ट वी शुड रिमेंबर द क्रिएटर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ततः देन शुद्धम जलम पीब. ततः मीन्स देन, शुद्धम means the pure, jalam means the water, piba means the drink. Friend, piba is also here imperative means the agnyarth. No any suffix is there but last letter is full, that's why it's a imperative means agnyarth परस्मयी पद मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन. पीबा means drink. क्या ड्रिंक करना है? ततः देन ड्रिंक शुद्धम जलम, pure water. Then drink pure water. Friends, as we stand up from our bed, first we have to remember God and then after without doing the brush we have to drink the pure water. Okay, mind well this thing. If you drink every day early in the morning when you awake and remember the God and then drink the water, so whole day you will be fresh. Okay, so whole translation will be like this: child, stand up from your bed and behave good behavior. Remember the creator of the world and then drink pure water. Let's see the second shloka. शतं पदानि निष्क्रम्य शौचार्थं गच्छ सत्वरं फेनीलेन करौ कृत्वा शुद्धौ व्यायाम आचरम. Here vyayamam achara. When we destroying this word vyayamam, half ma will be there and achara. Shatam means the 100. Already you know this numbers in Sanskrit. Shatam means the 100. Padani means the steps. Nishkramya means going away 100 steps. जैसे ही उठते हैं, if you drink the water and then shatam padani nishkram, going away 100 steps. Nishkramya, ya is there, that's why it's a sabandhak budkrudan. So going away 100 steps. Sauchartham gaccha sattvaram. If you walk 100 steps, what happens? Sauchartham means the washroom, gaccha means go, sattvaram means quickly go to the washroom. तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको वॉशरूम जाना पड़ेगा ही if you drink water and then if you walk, so this process will be there. So going away 100 steps, go quickly to the washroom. So here गच्छ is also the आग्न्यार्थ. Okay, आग्न्यार्थ परस्मयी पद मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन. फेनी लेना, after coming what you have to do? फेनी लेना means by the soap, SOAP, soap. Karau means the hands. कृत्वा शुद्धौ means the pure. कृत्वा means doing. कृत्वा is a sabandhak brutkudan. त्वा comes, so sabandhak brutkudan. So clean your hands with the soap. Clean your hands with the soap. Vyayamam achara. Then vyayamam achara. Achara means the do. Vyayam means the exercise and do the exercise. Clean your hands with the soap and do exercise. So whole translation of the second shloka. Going away 100 steps, quickly go to the washroom and clean your hands with the soap and do exercise. Third shloka. Tailam mardayakaye tvam ततः स्नानं समाचर यथाविधि जलेनेव वस्त्रं स्वीर्यं प्रधावय. Tailam. Tailam means the oil, tail. In Gujarati we are using the tailam means the oil. Mardaya means the massage. Kaye means body. Massage your body with the oil. जैसे ही हमारा व्यायाम हो जाता है, as we finish our exercise, we have to massage our body with the oil. Tvam means you, tatah then snanam samachara, and samachara means take, snanam means bath, take your bath. First what you have to do, massage your body with oil and then take bath. यथा विधि, according to the right, RIT, हाँ विधि के according, RIGHT नहीं लिखना है, यथा विधि according to the right, जले नेव by the water, वस्त्रम, वस्त्रम means the cloth, स्वीयम own, प्रधावय means wash, wash your own cloth with the water according to the right. शास्त्रों में कहा गया है कि we have to wash our clothes ourselves. We should not give to other person to wash it. Okay. So according to the right, wash your own clothes with the water. So friend, in this also mardaya is also आज्ञार्थ verb, samachara and pradhavaya. These all are the आज्ञार्थ, परस्मयी पद, मध्यम पुरुष, एक वचन. Okay, up to here we are seeing, and then after from the fourth in next video we will see. Thank you so much.